Changing a strap is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to give your watch a great new look. At Christopher Ward, we produce a range of different straps and bracelets. Each one is designed to be as easy as possible to remove and change. To change a quick release strap, first place your watch face down on a dry, smooth cloth. This is really important as it will stop you scratching your watch. Find the quick release pin on the underside of the strap. Pull it to one side and detach the spring bar staff from its lug hole. You can then remove the strap. It's as easy as that. To reattach, align the spring bar staff that protrudes from the side of the strap with the corresponding lug hole. At the same time, pull the pin to depress the spring bar at the other side. Finally, guide the side of the strap with the release pin protruding until it snaps into the lug hole. Done. It will now be secure. Now let's have a look at changing a quick release bracelet. As with the strap, start by placing the watch face down on a dry cloth to avoid scratching it. Then, find the quick release pins on the underside at the end of the bracelet. Pinch them together, depressing the spring bar staff. You'll now be able to slide the bracelet out. Putting the bracelet back on the watch is just as simple. Again, press both quick release pins and push the end of the bracelet between the lugs. Once you're satisfied the pins are lined up with the lug holes, release the pins and the bracelet will snap into place. You can then put the watch on. Finally, NATO straps. These are canvas straps that give your watch a rugged military look. James Bond wore one in Goldfinger. To remove a NATO, slip the metal retainer off the longer, lower half of the strap. You'll now be left with the longer half threaded through the watch's spring bars and the shorter section hanging loose. Now pull the longer half through both sets of spring bars, making sure you keep hold of the watch. Be careful, if you use too much force, you'll displace the spring bars. When you want to put the strap back on, thread the longer part through the top spring bar with the shorter piece facing away from you. Push the long part downwards until the watch is near the top of the strap but can't go any further. Then, thread the longer part of the strap through the lower spring bars before sliding it through the metal retainer on the shorter section. Pull the strap at the bottom to make sure everything is secure. Now you're ready to go, Mr. Bond. If you like any of the watches or straps in this video, you'll find links to them in the description below. For more tips on how to get the best out of your watch and to see our newest releases, just click on subscribe.